Alright, I'm feeling a little bit better today, but anyway, step one for cleaning the block is I'm going to clean it with some degreaser. I'll spray it with this, give it half an hour, come out, give it a run over with the brush, give it a spray off with this and see how it is. We'll see both sides. So this is the cold side. That's the hot side. It's not the worst engine by a long way I've ever seen, but we'll see. Alright, stage one. We'll see how it goes. I'll see you in 30 minutes.